Okay, so I'm in the process of making aloe vera rice water. So I got the rice water in, the rice in the water already. And here's my aloe vera that I just finished. Some of the treatments I've done. Just finished cutting up and putting in a bowl. So now I'm about to cut up the rest of the aloe vera and put it inside of my rice water. This is just a jar that I'm keeping the rice water in. So I'm going to finish cutting this up. Okay, so got the rice, got the aloe vera. So I'm about to put the rice in there.
Look at me, Mama.
Put the rice.
We having communion time.
No, it's not communion. Hair growth. It's the aloe vera again. And then now, you take all the aloe vera, throw it in there.
It's Vera.
It's the aloe vera
Gimme.
rice water.
I want this
Okay.
one.
Alright, so Vera. Okay, so aloe vera rice water. So anytime I see it getting low, I'm just gonna refill it.